Hello everybody and welcome back to Magnifier. Now in today's video we're going to be checking out Winlator, which is a port of Wine for Linux to Android. Now to get this APK you just download it off the GitHub, I think. Yeah, and just install the APK and you'll find Winlator. So I have the container one right here and we're going to... Oh, is there any information? We'll go to edit. So the screen size is 640 by 360, Vortex Universal. Now this is just what I've set it to, but it's simulating a GeForce 256, and it's got 2 gigs of video memory, and Win components, native Windows, all that. Native Windows. There's a bunch of random Linux junk at the drives, and it says it's simulating Windows 11, so we'll change that to XP. So that'll be easier. Now, right, so this is... it's going to be bad. The only way I could get it to read files was through the downloads folder. I only set it to the downloads folder and then it could read files like that I'd made and I wanted it to run. So I don't know if that's for everyone, but with the one I created, it only let me do it in one directory. Now start it up, so we press the play button, get this like ancient looking starting up screen, and it's just gonna load. Hey, so this is just Wine with a GUI pretending to be Windows, basically, and it automatically opens up Explorer. But you see, there's the mouse, like right there. But where I'm touching that little white dot in the corner, that is just moving the mouse around. So the C drive is just the simulated C drive. Up. The D drive is my downloads folder. So I'll open that up. I have a copy of Half-Life. So we'll try run this. So this is obviously there's far better ways to run Half-Life on Android. Far easier ways. But this is one way, and a very terrible way. So on hl.exe, and there we go. So you've got an extremely off-centered Sierra logo. And then the Valve logo's off-centered and just doesn't play the sound. That's great. Yeah, oh, yeah, that's bad. So we're getting sound. Oh, that one looks a lot normaler. Right, so let me show you. So on your Android, you press like the back arrow, and you get this. So you get input controls, which is like touchpad. So virtual gamepad, sure, we could use that. So now we've got a gamepad. Now I think, okay, so you still have to move the mouse around like that. So we'll go to configuration, go to controls. Let's see if we can use joystick. Yeah, the screen's definitely looking a lot like clunkier. You know, whatever, we'll just leave that alone. I don't even know if this will work, but new game. We'll play it in easy mode, okay? Got a tiny little black window there. Glitching out a bit.
Good morning and welcome to the Black Mesa Transit System.
Okay,
This
so the
automated
game's
train
running,
is provided for the security and convenience
but we
of
can't
the Black
see
Mesa
anything.
Research
Oh, that's
Facility
loud.
personnel.
Turn it down.
The time is 8:47 a.m.
I'll have to press escape on the keyboard. Oh gosh, there isn't an escape.
With an estimated high
We've got no
of
escape.
105. The Black Mesa compound is maintained at a
Got
pleasant
no escape.
68 degrees at all times.
Alright. Oh wait, magnifier, it said me. Right, we'll have to launch that again and see if we can edit some settings so we actually see. That'd be nice if we could see. That would be nice. Alright, go back to the D drive and Half-Life. All the way down to that Half-Life.exe. So there we go, we've got the off-centered Sierra logo. I tried using the Half-Life that I purchased on Steam, but it didn't run, so I had to use this old copy by Sierra, so it just didn't run for some reason. But I don't know if that's just a me thing. It probably is. So there we go, we got it glitching out again. Go to configuration, video. We'll go video modes. So the software render, Direct3D and OpenGL. So we'll go OpenGL 400 by 300 video options. Set screen size all the way down there. Gamma all the way down there. Glare reduction all the way down there. Now maybe this will give us some better. We'll try the hazard course. Choose pixel format failed. That's great. Selected OpenGL mode is not supported by your video card. Oh well. We'll try the Direct3D because we were on software before, so. Although I doubt Direct3D will be any better. Hazard course. Well, I saw a Direct3D error. But did it just lock up? Dang, usually the hazard course runs on like these weird devices. Is it just, are we dead? Yeah, you see magnifier right there. Well, I'll exit it and relaunch it. I think it'll have saved my settings. Yeah, it usually does. There we go, we're back. So it's not the easiest thing in the world to use, but if you need to like run like Microsoft Word or something, even though that's really not needed because there's easier ways to run Word, especially because there's just an Android client of it, which is ridiculous, but I think that's the wrong one here. That was the Z drive. Wait, the D drive. What happened to the D drive? Oh, Half-Life folder's just at the bottom now. Oh great, that was the save folder. That was for another project. We don't have to go all the way there. Why is it all look different? HL.exe. Now I can change them settings back again and try it in just the normal game. I mean, there's no way to press escape because it doesn't have its own custom keyboard. That's what I'd add instead of using just the default one you've got set. And then just Silent Valve logo. Maybe that's best. Maybe that logo's copyrighted and it's trying to help. Right, configuration, video options. Okay, so it saved it all. Video modes. And I got software. So back in software, but all this has just been lowered. And if this don't work, I'll end the video. New game. Yeah, we'll do it difficult, why not? Yeah, I don't think this is going to change anything. And yes, I've messed around with this off camera and changed it from an NVIDIA GeForce 250 to everything else.
This
And it
automated
just
train
doesn't help.
is provided for the security and convenience of the Black
Thanks
Mesa
for
Research
watching.
Facility personnel.
If you can hear me over the transit system,
Is 8:47.
subscribe, like, please follow my new TikTok, and thank you for watching.